Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is day 20 of my speaking English challenge. So guys, today we're going to speak English in front of the camera again, and we're going to discuss in this video about vocabularies. I think this video is really random, totally random, and I don't have anything in my mind to talk about, like important thing to talk about, but I'm just want to talk about in vocabulary. So because since I become B1 level, my English become B1 level, I level up my English from A1, A2 level to B1 level. It seems I'm running out of vocabulary. So I need to learn more vocabulary to improve my speaking, because sometimes I feel a little bit stuck in some situation. So I decided to, use every single video or every situation when I'm communicating a person, or I practicing my English someone else, or whatever I speak in English, I decided to use a new vocabularies. When I mean a new vocabularies, it doesn't mean like I'm gonna use every situation a new vocabulary that I learned that moment, but I mean like to use a vocabulary. I may know the vocabulary, the word, but I didn't use often. So I need to use many vocabularies, and every sentence, every video, if I add a new word and use the video, I'm gonna use, keep doing that to improve my English vocabulary, because when it comes to speaking English, vocabulary is very important, and if you don't know many vocabulary, it's really hard to communicate naturally, and so I just want to speak English effortlessly, and learn words effortlessly. I mean, like when it comes to learning vocabulary, there is many ways to learn vocabularies, and many ways to learn vocabulary. So for me, I just want to improve my vocabulary without struggling or putting much effort, or just overwhelming myself. And because of, if you really try so hard to improve something, yeah, you may succeed, but if you're a little bit maybe lazy or something, you may feel a little bit overwhelming, and that leads you to maybe give up or feel a little bit overwhelmed when it comes to learning the language or speaking. So the idea is, I decided to use every video and every situation while I speak in English to use a new vocabulary and that I didn't use before. Like for example, like when I speak in English, there is many words I know, but I really don't use as much often. Like I don't use often. Like when I watching movies, I know the vocabularies, I know the phrases, I know the context, all this. I know so much. But when it comes to my conversation or while I speak in English, I don't use those words. So I decided to use the words like, so if I know if I learn a new word, I will use the new word. Or if I don't know, if I didn't learn a new word, I'm gonna pick those words in my head I know, but I don't use much often. Like for example, immerse. I immerse learn English. I don't know really how to use that word so much. Immerse is like put more efforts on something, or involve it, or like kind of like a liquid or something like that, like something that immerse yourself by watching, by reading books, or immerse yourself your English by, I don't know how to use, but immerse is a new word, and I hear always when I'm watching movies, when I watching YouTube videos, when I see people talk about improvement or putting pay effort on something, focusing on something, they always use the word immerse. So I decided to use immerse as well. This is just, I take as for example. So immerse, and let me think about another word. For example, consistency. I use consistency much often when it comes to stick with a long time goal or something like, or for example like maybe phrases. For example, that's a good idea when you want to say, or like something is very easy when you say, or somebody if he told you something exactly you expecting, or something that was happening at that moment. Like some people they use, oh, you hit the nail on the head. You hit the nail on the head basically means to say to a person describe or say the same situation or something that you into. Like for example, you talk about someone and you just show up. The person you talk about, you and your friend talk, you guys talk about another friend and he just show up friend. So people need speakers say speak of the default. Speak of the default is just phrase, but that expresses that we talk about you. Speak of the default, like you just talk about the person and he just show up while you talk about him. Maybe you just guys saying, oh, if uncle come to us, that would be great, maybe we should drink more coffee, and he just show up, he just come to the place and you say, oh uncle C, speak of the default, we talk about you right now. That's like, so I just want to use like new words, new idioms, new phrases to make conversation. So in this video guys, today I'm gonna use, I think I already used money. Speak of the default, you hit the nail on the head. I immerse myself by listening English podcast. Is that really a correct sentence? I don't know. My grammar is so shaky. I cannot talk about my grammar really. My grammar sucked. So that way I cannot make a real sentences. I do speak English every single day. When I speak in English, it's kind of easy for me to talk about something, but I use incorrect grammar sometimes. So immerse myself, yeah. I need to immerse myself. I immerse myself by watching movie to improve my English. I think that's the correct sentence, I think. So guys, that is what I'm gonna talk. I'm going to discuss in this video. I decided to do that and improve my vocabularies. So if you have any new word you learn in this video, or any phrases or anything you want to share with me, or you want to improve like anything, if you improve anything, just let me know in the comment. Even you can let me know some new words or the word right now are using immerse. If you know the exactly sentences correct one, and you can explain me at the comment, I will pick it up and add my flashcard or how to use the word. Of course I will google it and ask you Google or ChatGPT or whatever platforms my dictionaries that I will ask them how to use the word, and just make some sentences, some examples. But that is you guys where I come up the idea using every day a new word is to improve my vocabularies, because I really need to learn more vocabulary, and also I need to improve my grammar as well. My grammar sucked, so I need to learn more grammar. Yeah, when I speak in English, my grammar is not that bad really. People they understand me still, and that's what I love. If you guys understand me what I'm talking about, deal done. That's what I'm really focusing. But also there's sometimes like when you meet eldest people or some people, they really do not focus on your things, that they don't understand what you're saying. So I need to improve my grammar, and also if I want to show you how to use word, if I don't know even the grammar, I cannot share with you. So I need to improve my grammar, and also I start to reading books hopefully. And I just reading books, I think just 1 week, and I exactly see a lot of improvement. I really see so much improvement in my speaking, my confidence, my vocabularies. I learn many vocabularies I didn't even know before. So yeah guys, that's our video guys. I think this video would be the best inshallah. So see you guys, have a good one, and see you next video.